Hey guys, Chance here. Today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of things. One of them is going to be the original Special Operations Equipment tool bag. You can see I have it here in my hands. This thing is really tough, really beefy. And I like it because it's just a good general purpose bag. Right now I've got my climbing gear in here, climbing / rappelling, and we'll get to that in a minute. But a couple of features about the bag. You can tell it's got these two nice sturdy handles, and the material actually goes down, wraps all the way around, and it's actually 4 parts that you see wrapping around the bag, so you know it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going to fail. Got a couple Velcro patch spots here where you can slap your name or whatever you want to put on there. There's a little pocket right here, right on the outside, and then you can unzip it. There's another big pocket here. Put whatever you want in there. I'm not going to tell you what to put in your bag. And it's the mirror image on the other side. You got your same little outside pocket you get to quick right there. Another zipper, more stuff, and then the main compartment, which is fairly big, and you guys can tell it opens up nice and wide there. And just to show you how much stuff you can fit in here, I don't have it packed by any means, but we got a couple harnesses, grappling hook, some ascenders, a little nice purple figure 8 there, and we've got, let's see, it's 150 foot of 11mm rope, so that whole thing fit in there. And then I've got some more pouches that go to my chest rig. I'll be showing you guys that in a later video. So on the inside of it we have more Velcro, and John at SOE, original SOE, sells these little strips, and you can put whatever tools you want in there and then just slap it in there. And I really like that because I may have a set of tools that I like and I may need to switch it from one bag to the next. I know everybody doesn't have enough tools to go for 5 or 6 different bags, so you can just put the tools you want in here, strip it out, put it in your chest rig, strip it out, put it in your shoulder bag, whatever you want to do with it. But I really like that concept. So it has a flat bottom to it, a reinforced flat bottom, so it'll sit there, open up on its own. You can put stuff, you can mess around, so that's cool. And the reason why I have the climbing gear and the rappelling gear is I'm working on some concepts for urban escape and evasion that deal with high angle movement, rappelling off of something, climbing up on top of something. And the reason that I think that's a good thought process and a good thing to be able to do is you never know what's going to be in between you and safety or where you want to go. And you don't have to have all the big stuff. There's another product that was designed specifically for firefighters, and then the military kind of caught onto it, and it's called a micro escape rig. And essentially what this is a belt that goes around, and this would sit at the small of your back, or you can actually move it wherever you want. It doesn't matter. What does matter is these ends come out and they wrap up between your legs, and what you'll end up having is all 3 of these will come together, and you'll just D-ring through it right there in the front. And with the kit itself, you've got what they call a micro escape 8 and 2 of your carabiners, your locking carabiners. Now these are designed to hold your weight, and you got an outer sheath that protects it when you attach it off, keeps it from abrading. And then you got 82 foot of rappelling cord, and this is for emergencies only. It's not something you want to do over and over again, but in an emergency it will allow you to get out of a building, to get off some type of obstacle and get to safety. So something like this, these are expensive. There are less expensive versions out there. I think this one goes for around 300 bucks, and this one is made by New England Ropes. So when you guys think about, especially if you're getting a hotel room or something like that, you need to think about how far up will a fire truck, a fire ladder reach you. And from everybody that I've talked to, 6 stories is pretty much the maximum that they can get to. So if you're on number 7, number 8, number 9 and on up, you're kind of screwed as far as getting out of a burning building or a building that's about to collapse or whatever. So I thought of that and I said, you know, it'd be really good to be able to self-rescue in that type of situation. So I went ahead, a friend of mine hooked me up with this. It wasn't sent to me by the company. I don't owe those guys anything, but I really appreciate my buddy hooking me up. An old Marine Corps buddy of mine gave it to me. So I thought there'd be something cool to share with you guys, and maybe you should start thinking about something along those lines. All right, guys, appreciate it. Remember, check out Original Special Operations Equipment. Pick up some of their gear. It's great stuff. Keep watching the website, watching the videos, and we'll see you next time.